Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable voice dial on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Next, put in the screen current passcode. And in here, scroll down and tap on voice dial. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now, so that music voice control is always enabled. So simply just tap on the toggle button to turn off or turn on voice dial. Finally, you can tap on the back key at the top here to go back to the settings page or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.